Alright, so we're out here playing an Easter egg hunt game, but it's a little bit different. There's 10 eggs, 5 players. And when you find an egg, you have to find the matching color. Right now I have no eggs. No eggs. Come on, that's the cat! Cannot find the egg. It's water, tree, car. I'm gonna give up hopes here in 5 minutes because it's Sunday and I'm tired. No egg been found. I have no eggs. That's a beautiful egg.
Yeah, it's purple. I'm gonna eat it.
Alright, I don't know what are in these eggs. Last time we had just quarters and money. It was a beautiful. Trying to play soccer. I'm trying to find the egg. I haven't found an egg. The mommy.
Go find an egg.
I'm trying. It's not the right color. I found one, but it's already taken. You said what colors? What colors are there?
Gold and silver left.
I'm gonna find these gold and silver eggs, dudes. I'm bad at this game. I found the silver one. I've got silver! I can't seem to open it. There's nothing in it. Alright, I need to find the egg's soulmate. No, don't give hints. We are competent human beings. I think I just said cop intent and not cop competent. Look at Oreo. Hey Oreo. Bye Oreo. Hey Oreo. Get out of the camera. Find my egg. Tis got one egg, but Tis can find the other. This is going to be a proper egg hunt, where I find the silver egg. I'm in such a good mood today, dudes. Back where I started. I do not find any eggs. I found my other silver one. I'm done. Okay, now I'm just gonna record these noobs. I tried to build a house like Minecraft. They don't want you to find the eggs. This is going to take forever to edit. But hey, all the eggs are on that side. So Mama said. I already found both my eggs. Something smells like serious dog poop. I think it's on my shoe. Well, slides, because I was upstairs in my room chilling, listening to music, texting my peeps, aka only one person. I was texting Abby. This video is gonna be freaking legit, just like my channel. Alright, well, dudes, got $10, so like, subscribe for more, comment what you think. See you next time.